You know that syllabus is from lesson 9 to lesson 16. So today we are going to revise lesson 9. Okay. So very first question, what is habitat? Yes, you come and tell. Cat in front and tell what is habitat. What is habitat? Study it.
The natural surrounding where plants and animal lives is called a habitat.
Okay. Yes, you.
A natural surrounding where plants and animals where live is called habitat.
Yes, you.
The natural surrounding where plants and animals live are called
It's
habitat.
called habitat. Okay. You come, come first and don't talk among yourself. You stand up. Come and stand.
The natural surrounding where and plants and animals live is called surrounding.
It's called surrounding you. It's called habitat. You.
The natural surrounding where plants and animals live is called habitat.
हिंदी में कौन बताएगा हैबिटेट इस शब्द का अर्थ हिंदी में कौन बताएगा हिंदी में आप आइए बताइए
जहाँ पे जानवर रहते हैं
वो आर्टिफिशियल या फिर नेचुरल सराउंडिंग होता है आर्टिफिशियल होता है
ना सर नेचुरल
नेचुरल होता है नेचुरल होता है उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट हैबिटेट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन cactus adapted to survive in desert cactus adapted to survive in desert you know cactus it is surviving in desert we can't survive now the question is why cactus survive in desert why we can't so it is having certain adaptation what are these adaptation I am telling and then you have to come and tell me okay it is having roots which go deep inside in search of water. Secondly, the stem of the cactus it is fleshy. It is fleshy and it is covered with cuticles. So
leaf are modified.
to avoid loss of water due to transpiration, leaves are modified into spines because leaf surface area is more water gets evaporated. That's why all this adaptation make cactus possible to survive in desert. Okay. Yes, you come and tell.
Roots of cactus go inside deep
Ah.
and absorb water.
Second.
The thick stem has covered
The fleshy stem is covered with
thick
cuticle or covering. Okay. And third one, this
leaves are modified into
spines. Okay, go. You,
Abhishek.
that girl.
Tessa.
Yes, you. Tell me.
Roots of cactus go inside to soil for absorb water. Cactus of stem of modified into cactus. This is modified into spines. Spines. Stem is Cactus grow
Stem, how are the stem? They are fleshy. Okay, and they are covered with thick cuticle. Okay. Yes, Shivanshu, comment this.
roots can go to inside in soil to absorb water. Stems, branch and
You can search there and you can explain.
fleshy.
Huh? There. And covered with deep sticky cuticle.
cuticle. Leaves, leaves are modified into spines. Spines.
Huh. Again, yes, you.
Roots of cactus go in deep inside the soil to absorb water. Stem, stem is fleshy covered with thick cuttle.
Cuticle.
Cuticle.
हाँ.
These are modified into spiny bug.
Leaves है क्या वहाँ पे? नहीं है ना. Leaves की जगह पे क्या है?
Spines.
हाँ. That girl.
Roots of
That.
roots of cactus.
उधर touch करके बताइए.
Roots of cactus go deep into soil to absorb the water.
हाँ.
Stem is fleshy.
Stem कहाँ है? हाँ.
Stem is fleshy and covered with thick cuticle. And
Instead of leaves.
leaves are modified with spines.
Spines. Okay. Again, who will come? Then, yes, you, your word. Touch the diagram and tell me. How? Why cactus survive in desert? What is the reason?
The root of cactus go deep inside the soil to absorb water. Stem is
Thick, fleshy,
stem is
carrying
fleshy
water.
and covered with thick cuticle. Leaves are modified into spines. So,
Then, the next one, that is fill in the blanks. The presence of specific features which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called dash. अभी इसमें specific feature क्या क्या है बताइए. What are the specific feature in this cactus? Who will come and tell? What are specific features in this cactus? Yes, come here. What are the specific features in this cactus?
leaves,
Deep root.
leaves and roots.
Leaves are there.
No.
What are
spines,
their
spines.
spines? That is specific feature. Okay. How are the stems?
Thick and
Thick and fleshy.
fleshy.
Okay, covered with cuticle. And how are the roots? They go
Inside the deep.
to absorb water. So these are the specific features. Okay, due to this feature, cactus is living in desert. So what do we call such specific features? What do we call such specific features? कोई बताएगा? What do we call such specific features which enable an organism, it may be a plant or an animal, to live in particular habitat? वो specific features को हम क्या कहते हैं? What do we call? That is called
Adaptation.
That is called adaptation. That is the first fill in the blank. Adaptation. जैसे camel is adapted to live in desert. Camel is having long legs, thick pad, hump, eyelashes. Okay. So many adapted, excreting very less urine. will add dry excreta. All these are adaptation in camel. Okay. Then the next one. The habitat of the plant and animals that live on land are called dash habitat. Terrestrial habitat. So those plants and animals which are living on the land, they are called terrestrial animal, and the habitat is called terrestrial habitat. Okay, that is terrestrial habitat. So second page number 93, second fill in the blank is terrestrial. Terrestrial habitat. Okay, then the third. ये आपने बहुत बार पढ़ चुके हैं. The habitat of plant and animal that live in water. This is terrestrial. Then the third one, aquatic. Third one, aquatic habitat. Third one is aquatic habitat. That these animals they are living in water and their habitat is aquatic habitat. Soil, water, and air are abiotic. Biotic and abiotic factor. Living things are biotic factor and non-living things are abiotic factor. So we will find these are what kind of factors? Soil, water, and air are abiotic factor. Abiotic factor. Abiotic factor. Then the next one. Changes in our surrounding that make us respond to them are called stimuli. Stand up. Go back. Stimuli. What do we call them? Stimuli. The next one is stimuli. If you fill in the blanks. Singular is stimulus. Plural is stimuli. Then the next one. Which of the things in the following list are non-living? Claw, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat, water, ice smith, earthworm. हाँ.
Claw, shaving machine, radio, boat.
Claw, sewing machine, radio, boat. These are non-living things. Okay. Next one. Give an example of a non-living thing which shows any two characteristic of living thing.
Some non-living thing, car,
and machine.
Which characteristics are they showing? Comment there.
car, clock, water,
Which characteristics are there?
car,
Yes, tell me which characteristics they show.
Bus and machine shows both movement and custom energy.
Movement and
Custom energy.
energy.
Yes.
So movement is one of the characteristics that is shown by moving clouds,
Yes.
by buses. Living things they move from one place to another.
Yes.
So these non-living things they also move from one place to another. For example, clouds they move from one place to another. They are non-living things.
so car also,
Clouds they move
the
from
scar,
one place to
scar,
another.
scar,
Then
set
the next one. Which of the non-living things listed below were once part of a living thing? Butter, leather, soil, wool, you. Ah,
Leather, wool, cooking oil.
leather,
Leather, wool,
cooking
cooking
oil,
oil, rubber.
butter,
Butter. No,
it
sir.
not.
leather, wool, cooking oil.
Let oil, rubber.
Soil,
Soil not, sir.
No.
Soil.
Then wool,
No.
Yes,
No.
yes, yes, yes.
butter from milk, milk from living thing,
Living thing.
leather living thing, soil non-living thing, wool living thing, electric bulb
No.
non-living thing, cooking oil
Yes.
derived
Yes.
from living thing, salt
No.
non-living thing, apple,
No.
rubber.
Yes.
Now list the common characteristics of living thing. Who will tell this answer? Go.
Reproduce, need,
Grow.
reproduce, need food,
Hmm.
grow,
Hmm.
respect to stimuli,
Hmm.
survive.
Okay, yes, you
They need
come here and tell.
Sir, book taking.
Without seeing.
They need, uh, they need food.
Living things, they move from one place to
Another.
in search of food, water, and shelter. Living things, they need food to get energy. Okay, living things, they reproduce. Okay, give birth to young one. Cat gives birth to kitten. Dog gives birth to puppies. Lion gives birth to cubs.
Comes.
Living things, they give response to the stimuli. If I talk fans, then the changes in the surrounding are called stimuli. Now, if I talk fan, put off fan, switch off fan, what will happen? Your body will respond by sweating. Okay, so switching off the fan is the stimuli and sweating is the response. So, like that, many characteristics are shown by living thing. Who will tell common characteristic? Yes, yes, you common characteristics of living thing. You
Need food.
Sir.
after that you come.
Need, need food, reproduce to have structure, respond to stimuli, grow, energy.
Living things need food to get energy. Living things give response to the
Stimuli.
stimuli. Living things move from one place to
Another.
another. Okay. Then next one, last question. Go. Explain why speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals that live there. Animals, herbivorous animals, you know,
Yes, sir.
they run with very high speed. And why they need high speed? What will happen if they don't run fast? What will happen?
Sir, I tell from book. Tell from book.
Then what will happen? Now tell with your common sense first of all. अगर जो भी animals, herbivorous animals say like deer and all, if they don't have high speed, what will happen?
Many trees will come in front of them.
Huh?
Trees will come in front of them.
You tell me what will happen?
Carnivorous
हाँ,
animals
come,
like
come. मुझसे कहा जा रहा है. What will happen?
the carnivorous animals will get to herbivorous animals.
हाँ. Carnivorous animal can catch them very
Easily.
so running fast is the adaptation in grassland habitat. Because in grassland habitat we will find very few trees are there. Okay, for animals to hide. छिपने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा पेड़ होते हैं क्या? छिपने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा पेड़ होते हैं क्या? नहीं. In grassland habitat very few trees are there. So herbivorous animal they do not get enough space to hide, and that is why speed is one of the important adaptation they have to escape from carnivorous animal. तो जो herbivorous animal है, जो herbivorous जो हर्बीवोरस एनिमल है, जो ग्रासलैंड में रहते हैं, उनके लिए स्पीड बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि छिपने की जगह बहुत कम होती है, क्योंकि ट्रीज वहां पे नहीं होते, बहुत कम ट्रीज होते हैं, तो छिपने की जगह बहुत कम होती है। इसीलिए वहां पे वो क्या करते हैं, दे आर रनिंग फास्ट टू एस्केप फ्रॉम कार्निवोरस। ठीक है, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द अडाप्टेशंस दिस एनिमल्स आर हैविंग। व्हिच एनिमल? हर्बीवोरस एनिमल इन ग्रासलैंड हैबिटेट। Okay, so that is why speed is very important for their survival. Otherwise,
They will
they die because, like you know, that carnivorous animal like tiger, cheetah, lion can catch them very easily. They can't hide. Okay, so we will find that these animals they have very high speed. These animals they have very high speed. Let's
ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स किसके पास है? किसी के पास नहीं है।
So
नहीं किसी के पास।
these animals they have high speed. Understand? So very fast I am asking one by one question. All questions from NCERT we have covered. Okay. So first question: what is habitat? What is habitat?
The natural surrounding where plants and animals live is called habitat.
The natural surrounding where plants and animals live is called habitat.
Habitat. Okay. Second question: how are cactus adapted to survive in desert?
Roots and cactus go deep inside soil to absorb water, steam, and fleshy and cover with thick
Cuticle.
cuticle. Leaves are modified with
Spines. Okay. Third question. You list the common characteristic of living thing. List the common characteristic of living thing. List the common characteristic of living thing.
Need food reproduce to get energy, respond to stimulus. They need they reproduce growth.
Okay. Now I will send their attendance link.
Sir, can I go washroom? Sir, can I go washroom?
Attendance link you just